Hey there, universe nerds. When we think of the solar system, we usually stop at Neptune, the 8th planet. But the sun's domain doesn't end there. Beyond Neptune lies a vast region filled with icy bodies, dwarf planets, and cosmic leftovers from the dawn of the solar system. This is the Kuiper Belt, our solar system's outer frontier. Today, let's explore what the Kuiper Belt is, how it was discovered, and why it's one of the most important regions for understanding our cosmic origins. The Kuiper Belt is a ring-shaped region of space extending from about 30 to 55 astronomical units from the Sun. That's 30 to 55 times farther than Earth. It's similar to the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter, but much larger and made mostly of ice instead of rock. The objects here are remnants of the early solar system, frozen time capsules preserving conditions from over 4.5 billion years ago. The most famous resident of the Kuiper Belt is Pluto, once considered the 9th planet. In 2006, Pluto was reclassified as a dwarf planet, partly because astronomers discovered many other Pluto-sized objects in the Kuiper Belt. This was the game changer. Pluto wasn't unique. It was part of a vast population of icy worlds, reshaping how we define what a planet really is. Besides Pluto, other notable KBOs include Eris, Haumea, and Makemake, all dwarf planets. Some are oddly shaped, some spin rapidly, and many have moons. The diversity of these objects shows the chaotic processes that shaped the early solar system. Each one is like a fossil record, giving us clues about how planets formed and migrated billions of years ago. The Kuiper Belt also connects to comets. Many short-period comets, those that orbit the Sun in less than 200 years, come from this region. When KBOs are nudged inward by gravity, they can become comets, their icy surfaces vaporizing into glowing tails as they approach the Sun. Studying them helps us understand not only the Kuiper Belt, but also the role comets may have played in delivering water and organic molecules to Earth. Exploring the Kuiper Belt is tough. It's incredibly far away, dark and cold. But in 2015, NASA's New Horizons spacecraft made history by flying past Pluto, sending back breathtaking images of its mountains, glaciers, and blue skies. Later, in 2019, New Horizons visited another KBO, Arrokoth, revealing a contact binary shaped like a snowman. These missions proved the Kuiper Belt is not empty. It's a treasure trove waiting to be explored. What makes the Kuiper Belt even more intriguing is the possibility of hidden giants. Some astronomers think the unusual orbits of certain KBOs point to the existence of a yet undiscovered Planet 9, a massive world lurking far beyond Pluto. If it exists, it would be one of the most important discoveries in planetary science, reshaping our map of the solar system once again. The Kuiper Belt also marks the boundary between the solar system's inner and outer realms. Beyond it lies the Oort cloud, a hypothetical shell of icy bodies that may stretch halfway to the nearest star. Together, these regions show that our solar system is far larger and more complex than the 8 planets we usually think of. So, what is the Kuiper Belt? It's the solar system's icy frontier, home to Pluto, comets, dwarf planets, and maybe even hidden giants. It holds the frozen leftovers of creation, clues to our past, and mysteries for the future. Next time you think of the solar system, don't stop at Neptune. Remember that beyond lies a vast, silent belt of worlds waiting in the dark for us to discover.